Morning everybody. I'm going to show you one reverse. It's very hard because it's between two trucks. I may have to go down and have a look. As you can see, this guy is already struggling and mine is even harder. And plenty of trucks waiting for me behind. So I will see how I'm going to reverse, because there are, you see the gap there, bay 16 and 17. I'm going to go in 16, and 16 is between two trucks. All right, take it easy, man. Mine it's even harder. I am in the middle. It's all right, man. Are you in 17? Bay 17?
Yeah, because I parked over there and the lady told me to go on 17, so I just go round.
No worries, mate. Take it easy, take your time, no rush.
Oh, so far.
Yeah, no worries, mate. There is a big queue. I may go around, I'm not sure, because I let other people move in and then I come back and reverse. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, because a lot of trucks waiting for me, so I can't reverse at the moment. Just keep watching. I will let him reverse. By the time he will reverse, I will come back. In bay 16. Okay, just keep watching, lads. I'm in Iceland, the biggest frozen company, frozen food company in the UK. So I go around and I will reverse to bay 16. I used to work in here. It's very hard job here because you need to pull cages and get pallets out. You know, it has two compartments, one for frozen and one for chill. And sometimes if you got if you got two drops in a chill compartment, it has two drops, and in the frozen is two drops as well, which is very hard because you will have to get out everything, the first store and the second store as well. You say it was a massive queue, so I let them go, and now I will reverse in bay 16. That's you again, mate. How you doing?
Okay, mate, how are you?
Good, good.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
What's that on your hand?
You are in video, mate.
Oh, I am. You look nice.
How you doing?
Okay, good, good.
I left them last year here.
Yeah, no, I haven't saw you, so I believe you.
Yeah, yeah. Is it still the same? Very hard job,
What
man.
is that for your safe or?
Yeah, it's very hard job here, isn't it?
It is, man, it is.
Very tough, very tough. It's easy.
For some people, it's not so hard.
You know, I have a luxury job. Have a good day. Okay, so by 16, you will see how hard it is. So what I have to do in this case, so I just go forward here and you try to reverse in the last minute. Okay, because you know it's very tough there. Okay, so what you do, the last minute, get yourself in. Say keep watching there, it's all right. It's very tough here because there is no space the other side. So now I get in quietly, so if I have to go forward, I go forward, no problem. Yeah, but it seems all right here. Okay, keep watching, make sure you don't hit anything. And let him go. I'm not straight, so I will straighten up. Okay, that's how you do it, because you know in the front is very tight there, so there is no space, so you have to reverse like last minute, so it's still not quite. Okay, I have to get out and open the doors. That's it, lad. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.